Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Toyota Sienna. This is a 7-passenger minivan in pre-dawn gray, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features are your roof rails, heated mirrors, and a backup camera. But now why don't we hop inside this Sienna and see what else it has to offer. Opening up the driver's side here, we can see on top you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. On the bottom you have some storage space that runs along the entire side. If we look next to the door, we can press this. That'll give you some storage space. We're just going to close that up. The Sienna is equipped with all-weather mats and light gray cloth seating. On the bottom you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. We have our Sienna key here. We're just going to start this up. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel. These clusters right here will help you navigate and control any audio that's playing. You also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right side you have this display button which allows you to navigate through the multi-information display. Behind the wheel you have your cruise control. Moving on to our screen, right now we are on audio sources. You can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, CD, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, there is that backup camera that we mentioned. Down below that is your tri-zone climate control system. So you got adjustments for yourself, your passenger, and the passengers in the back. Down here is where you'll find your USB and auxiliary port as well as your 12-volt outlet. We can press this button and 2 cup holders come out. We have some storage space here with this shelf, and we got more storage space on the bottom here with this huge piece, and this is where you'll also find your extra 12-volt outlet. And before we move to the cargo, we're just going to take a quick look in the back here. We're continuing with the all-weather mats and the light gray cloth seating. The second row seating does have these armrests just like the front passenger and driver seats, and these seats do fold down. All we got to do is press that up and we can slide them forward, and that gives you access to your third row seating. To open up the back, all we got to do is just press the button right in the center here. Taking a look inside, with the third row seating up, you have plenty of cargo space on the bottom here and on the left. We can fold these seats down. All we got to do is just pull on this handle and they fold in like so. You can see the crazy amount of cargo space you get with those third row seating folded down. Of course, the second row does fold as well. For those third row passengers, we do have 2 cup holders and some storage space. To close up, we got this handle up top. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2016 Toyota Sienna. Once again, some of those great interior features include your tri-zone climate control system, Bluetooth compatibility, and hands-free calling. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so once you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.